Hi friends, let's take about the question I'm having here with me. The question says find the value of x, y, and z in the equation below. We are given this following simultaneous equation and we are asked to find the value of x, y, and z. So in this case, we don't need to, it's just a simple, we just need a simple int and we are going to solve it. If you look at this equation, I can actually write this as xy. Let me just put solution here. I can write this as xy plus 3x plus 2y plus 6 equals to 0. And I'm going to call this equation 1, right? So the following one, I will write it like yx plus y plus 3z plus 3 equals to what? 0. Then the last one, I'm having 2x plus 2z plus x plus 2 equals to what? 0. I'm calling this one equation 2 and also this one equation what? 3. Now from equation 1, if you look at this, we can actually factorize this. Show that we have xy plus 3x, right? Plus 2y plus 6 equals to 0. Can you see that? We can actually factorize this. But if you look at it, I can bring out the common factor here. The common factor here is what? It's actually x. Show that I will have x into brackets y plus what? Plus 3 plus, in this case, this is 2. 2 into bracket what? Y plus 3 equals to what? 0. Then I'm having s plus 2 is equals to what? 0. Or y plus 3 is equals to what? 0. Then I'm having s equals to minus 2 or y equals to what? Minus 3. So since I've gotten the value of x and also y, then the next thing is just to put it inside what? Inside either equation 3, equation 3 or equation 2. Let me put inside equation 2. Putting the value of x and y into equation that will be equation 2. Let me put inside equation 2. Then let's see what will happen if I put it inside equation 2. Right? So in this case, I will have y. My y is what? That's minus 3. Put it inside brackets. Then my x is minus 2 plus minus 3, right? Plus 3z plus 3 equals to 0. Then this is actually 6 minus 3 plus 3z plus 3 equals to 0, right? So I'm having this will cancel out this. So I'm having what? 6 plus 3z equals to 0. Then I'm having it as what? 3z equals to what? Minus 6. Divide both sides by 3. I'm having what? Z equals to what? Minus 6 over 3, which is actually what? Minus 2. So therefore, the value of x, y, and also what? Z is what? Is actually minus 2, comma minus 3, and also what? And minus what? 2. This is the final answer.